Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good at home. Today we are going to start our new book, that is Countdown Book 4. Hope everyone gets the new book from the market. Today we are going to start its first lesson. The first lesson is numbers and arithmetic operations. We are going to learn about numbers and arithmetic operations. You can see book on the board. The first unit is about numbers and arithmetic operations. So in this unit, we are going to start from the page number 2. Open page number 2, everyone. What we have to do on this page number 1, we are going to read page number 2. On this page, you can see they are talking about numbers. They are talking about numbers. So I'm going to start reading. Now we will work with numbers up to 9 digits. Up to 9 digits. In the previous class, we will work with numbers up to 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to learn how we are going to use and how we are going to read 9 digits. Now we will work with numbers up to 9 digits, that is 100 million. That is 100 million. Let us consider the following place value chart. In the last lesson, we learned how many digits in our ones we have. We have 3 digits: unit, 10, and 100. Now 10 of 1,000, 100, 100,000. The first one is 10,000. The second one is the first one is 1,000. The second one is 10,000, and the third one is 100,000. And the last one we have here is millions. Millions. In millions, we have the first one is 1 million, second is 10 million, and the third one is 100 million. So in a 100,000, we have 6 digits, and in a 1 million, we have 7 digit number, and in 10 million, we have 8 digit numbers, and in 100 million, we have 9 digits. We have how many digits? 9 digits. It is simple, like how many zeros in our tens? We have 1. How many zeros in 100? We have 2. And how many zeros we have? 1,000, 3. And in 10,000, 4. And in 100,000, we have 5. So same like these. How many digits we have in a 100 million? We have 9 digit numbers. From the above chart, we conclude that as the number of digits increases, from the above chart, we conclude that as the number of digits increases, the value of the number also increases. जैसे जैसे हमारे numbers add होते हैं, तो हमारी value भी क्या हो जाती है? Increase करती है. A 7-digit number is a million, 8-digit number is 10 million, and the 9-digit number is 100 million. And 9-digit means 100 million. 8-digit means 10 million. 7-digit number means a million, 1 million. So now as an example, consider a 7-digit number 2489652 and place it in the place value chart. This is a place value chart. The first one is unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So this one, this two, we know it is on unit place, so we write under unit. The second one is tens, we write under 8, under tens, and 6 is 100, so we write 6 under the 100, and so on. This shows that a 7-digit number goes up to 1 million. When we place 23896,108 in a place value chart, we notice that that a 8-digit number goes up to 10 million. 8 number goes to up to 10 million. So how we are going to write under 8? The first one is we know the unit is 8, so they write under unit 8 and so on like this. Now the next one is 8-digit number. This shows that a 7-digit number goes up to 1 million. When we place this value in a place value chart, we notice that a 8-digit number goes up to 10 million. If we have 8 digits value, it means it is 10 million. It is 10 million. If we have 7-digit value, it means it is a 1 million. It is a 1 million only. Now, while a 9-digit number goes up to 100 million, when we have 9 digits in our value, it means we have 100 million. We have how many million? 100 million. Now, come on, the next is that is page number 3. They are saying what? They are going to give you an example. Write this value in words. Words mean we have to write in alphabets. Now what we are going to solve it. Solution is first place the numbers in the place value chart. First we do what I'm going to do this one on the board. They are saying write this value 682,952,602 in words. How we are going to write this value in words? First, I'm going to make a chart, place value chart. That will be more easier for us to write it in the words. So the value is 6, 8, 2, 9, 5, 2, 6, 0, 2. This is extra, sorry. Now we know this one is unit, this one is tens, this one is 100, the next one is 1000, and the next one is 10,000. It is what? 10,000. And the next one is 100,000. And then becomes million. And in a 1 million, how many we have a digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The next one is 10 million. And the last one is 100 million. And in 100 million, how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In 100 million, we have 9-digit value. Now, now what they are asking us, write this value in words. Now we can write it in words very easily by drawing a place value chart. Now we know this 6 is how many millions? 100 million. So first I'm going to write 6 and 100. Then I'm going to write and 682 million we end this part. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write comma, then you can see what we have here, 900. First I'm going to write 9, then 100 and 52,000. Till here I end up here the thousand value. So 900 and 52 52,000. Now you can see I end all the thousands value. Now come to the last three digits. First we deal with three digits, that is millions, that is about millions, and then the next three that are about thousand. I done with thousand. Now the turn of last three digits, that is 100. So I'm going to write it. First I'm going to write comma, then how many hundred I have? 600. So 600 and how many unit I have? 2. 602. So how we can write this value in words? We can write this value in words like this by using value chart. By using value chart, we can easily write our value in words. Now the second example is write the given number in figures. Now they are asking write in figures. Figures means that you have to write it in digits. Now they give you this value in words. Now we have to convert it into digits. Figure and digits, both are having same meaning. The solution is make a place value chart and write the numbers in it. First, I'm going to write 25 million. 25, it means 10 million. 25 means 10 million. So 10 million and under 10 million, we have to. Shajia Fatma, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hadia, can you hear me? Now it becomes to the now we are going to do the question number 2, that is on this we have to do what? They give you a value in a words. Now you have to write in a figure and you can also say it, write it into digits. So what they are right? 25 million. 25 means 10 million. So the first one is 10 million and second one is million. Next one is 909,000. 909,000. 437. You can see I write 7 under unit and 30 tens. We write 3 under tens and 400. We write 4 under 100. After 100 we know 1000 comes, and after 1000 we know 10,000 comes, and after 10,000 100,000, then million and 10 million. So we can write it is, if the required number is like this, 25 million 909,437. You can read or write your values like this easily. Okay. The next example is write the value of the ringed digit in the number. They are saying on which place this 3 is standing. We know the first one is unit, 10, this one is 100, this one is 1000, and this is 10,000. You can see they write in a place value in a chart. So this 3 comes under 10,000. So the value of 3 is 30,000. The value of this 3 is 30,000. If we write 4 digits after the 3, then it becomes what? 30,000. Why we do this? Because it is on 10,000 place. It is on 10,000 place. Now the next one is write the number in expanded form. They give you this number and you have to write it into expanded form. How you will write this one? You can see the solution 4. After 4, how many digits I have? I write same zeros, how many digits I have after 4. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 4, I have 8 digits. So I'm going to write 8 zeros after 4. Like this, I can expand my value. Okay. So if I'm going to count how many zeros I write here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see after 4, we have 8 numbers. So we write 8 zeros after it. Same we will do with the 6. And after 6, how many digits we have? Same, जितने digits हमारे उसके बाद होंगे, we write after 6. We write 0. How many zeros after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same as it is for the other numbers with with using plus. If we add these all values, I get the answer this one back. Okay, I get the answer this one back. Now your diary is, write your diary. Your diary is homework. Do question number 1 or page number 6. Do question number 1 and 2 of page number 6.